Hello friends, on this video how to reset your Iqoo phone. If you want to reset your mobile phone, then you can watch this video till end. I'll just show you step by step. Okay, you can follow it. And friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you just need to move on setting. When you move on setting, you are going to find this screen. So friends, here first of all you have to remove your Google. If you want to reset your phone, then you have to remove your Google, and when you are removing your Google account, you need to remember your Googles and your password. Then second step is that you have to move on system. If you don't find the options, then it's okay. Let's search your backup. Backup and restore. Then here click on backup and restore again. From here you have to agree. Then you have to sign in. First of all, if you have Google, then you just need to backup thoroughly. Okay, I mean before you have to backup, then after that you have to remove your Google, then lastly you can reset your phone. Now search for reset. So you have to select here. There is many options: reset option, reset all settings, reset app preferences, and here's the erase all data. So you have to select the factory reset, and here erase all data, and you have to erase it. Okay, but first thing friends, do not forget to backup, then remove your Google account, then lastly reset. Okay, and do not forget to remember your Google password and your Gmail. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.